Hi, my name is Evan Hicks. I'm the product marketer at Premier Mounts. I'm here at InfoComm 2024 in Las Vegas, and I'm here with our latest innovation. It's a return of our old carts and stands kits. It is a EB-based kit with our EB-based casters, 72-inch black powder-coated poles, and our CTM MS2 mount. This stand display will hold up to 160 pounds and displays with 800 by 500 Visa pattern. And for those interested, it also has an accessory shelf for purchase separately, and also a media player bracket and enclosure. This is great for applications in corporate offices, large venues, exhibit halls, you name it. So come check it out, booth W1365, and you can also check it out on our website at www.premiermounts.com.